If you're looking to unlock the power of market intelligence, then this quick JungleScout guide is exactly what you need. Whether you're new to the software or just trying to sharpen your skills, stick around as we walk you through how to use JungleScout for market intelligence to give you a competitive edge. By the end of this video, you'll know how to leverage this tool to find profitable products, track trends, and get real-time insights fast. Now, before we dive in, let me quickly remind you that you can use JungleScout completely free through the exclusive link below. With our bonuses, you can get hands-on experience and see how this powerful software can elevate your e-commerce business. Make sure to stick around for all the details because I've got a special extended free trial offer at the end of the video. First up, let's talk about the product database. JungleScout's product database is one of its most powerful features for market intelligence. It allows you to search through millions of products across various categories and niches. You can filter by sales volume, reviews, price, and other key metrics to find the most promising opportunities. This feature is especially valuable for identifying profitable niches with low competition, giving you the edge you need to stand out. Next, let's take a look at the product tracker. Once you've found a few products you're interested in, the product tracker helps you keep tabs on them. This feature allows you to monitor the performance of products over time, so you can track sales trends and spot emerging opportunities before they hit the mainstream. You'll be able to see if a product is gaining or losing momentum and make informed decisions about when to enter the market. The supplier database is another key feature that's essential for market intelligence. If you're looking to source products, JungleScout allows you to find reliable suppliers from top global manufacturers. You can search by location, product category, and other criteria and see supplier ratings based on performance. This helps you streamline your sourcing process and find partners who will meet your quality and pricing needs. Another feature that makes JungleScout an invaluable tool for market intelligence is the Keyword Scout. This tool helps you find high-performing keywords that people are actively searching for. You can use it to optimize your listings, improve your Amazon SEO, and even discover new product ideas based on what's trending. Keyword research is the backbone of any digital marketing campaign, and JungleScout's Keyword Scout makes it easier than ever to find the keywords that will drive traffic to your listings. If you're serious about using JungleScout for market intelligence, the Opportunity Finder is a must-try. It combines multiple metrics, including sales, competition, and trends, to help you identify the most profitable product opportunities. This tool allows you to refine your search and pinpoint products that are in demand, but still under the radar of other sellers. You'll be able to discover hidden gems in niches that haven't yet saturated the market, giving you a head start on the competition. One of the coolest things about JungleScout is the real-time data it provides. While other tools might give you outdated insights, JungleScout's data is updated regularly, so you always have access to the freshest information. This is crucial in the fast-paced world of e-commerce, where market trends can change in an instant. By using these features together, you can conduct thorough market research, identify opportunities, and make smarter business decisions. But remember, it's not just about collecting data, it's about using that data to take action and drive your business forward. And now, as promised, don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial for JungleScout through the link in the description. You'll get access to all the features I just mentioned and more, with absolutely no commitment. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your market intelligence and start making smarter, data-driven decisions for your business today.